We use the past perfect tense to describe an action that was completed before another action or time in the past. Show the order of events in the past. Examples. Before another action. She had left the office before I arrived. Order of events. By the time we got there, the movie had started. Positive structure. All subjects take the past participle V3 form of the verb. Subject pronoun, plus had, plus V3, third form of the verb. Example. I had finished my homework before I went out with my friends. Negative structure. All subjects take the past participle V3 form of the verb. Subject pronoun, plus hadn't plus V3, third form of the verb. Example. She hadn't read the book before its movie adaptation came out. Question structure. All subjects take the past participle, V3 form of the verb. Had plus subject pronoun plus V3, third form of the verb. Example. Had you completed the project before the manager said so? Attention. In the English language, the verbs are divided into two. Regular verbs. Regular verbs form their past participle forms by adding d, ed, or ied to the base form. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow a consistent pattern for their past participle forms. Each irregular verb has a unique past participle form. Regular verbs. How to spell. If the verb ends in a silent E, simply add d, live, lived, hate. Hated, bake, baked. My mum had baked a pie before Dad came home with one. How to spell. For most verbs, simply add ed. Talk, talked. Clean, cleaned. Watch, watched. She had already watched that movie before her friend recommended. How to spell. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add ed. Cry, high cried. Carry, high carried. Study, high studied. He went out after he had studied for the exam. Irregular verbs. Here's a list of some of the most common irregular verbs. Be, been, begin, begun, bite, bitten, break, broken, bring, brought, build, built, buy, bought, catch, caught, come, come, cut, cut, do, done, draw, drawn, drink, drunk, drive, driven, eat, eaten, fall, fallen, feel, felt, find, found, fly, flown, get, gotten, got, give, given, go, gone, been, grow, grown, have, had, keep, kept, know, known, leave, left. Time expressions. We usually use the following time expressions: before, after, by the time, already, just. She had cleaned the house before the guests arrived. By the time she arrived, the party had already started. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering English. Join me on social media for more cool stuff. Thanks for watching and see you next time.